Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make tikka masala from scratch. To make tikka masala from scratch, you will need 3 tablespoons of oil, 130 grams of finely grated onion, 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste mixed with 1 tablespoon of water, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek leaves, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 tablespoons of red masala paste, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of coconut powder, 1.5 tablespoons of ground almonds, 250 milliliters of boiling water, 75 milliliters of single cream, and 6 to 8 pieces of meat. I'll link my red masala paste recipe below and in the video. To begin, heat a pan, then add the oil and onions and fry gently until they soften. Add the tomato paste, fenugreek leaves, salt, coriander, cumin, turmeric, red masala paste, and a little water. Stir them together for a minute to release the flavours. Add the sugar, coconut powder, and almond powder, then stir well before adding the water. Finally, add the meat and cream. Stir thoroughly, then reduce until the sauce is the thickness you want. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.